It's another woodworking classic. We're going to make ourselves a live edge tabletop. And what that means is we need to carefully select a couple of pieces of wood. If you're going to take this on, you pick whatever wood you like. Maybe that means you've got to consider the grain, the weight. That's up to you. In this case, we've got 2 pieces of wood that needed to be trued so that we know that they're level and equal in depth. And then we need to create a straight edge on one side of each piece in order to connect them. And we've also bored out holes that will insert dowels or pegs into, much larger than you're used to seeing with your IKEA furniture. And we'll add some glue. It won't be too easy to bring them together, and so we use a series of vices to slowly but surely bring them together. Using a rubber mallet to slowly hammer it little by little with the help of those vices and a little bit of elbow grease into one solid looking piece. It can be tricky in some of the uneven ends, and in that case, use some spare wood. Number 1, the metal teeth of the vise won't press on the wood, leaving an imprint if you do use spare wood. And number 2, it manages to straddle those uneven surfaces very well. We've now also cut out some special bands. Looks like an S shape, or maybe those F-holes you see on some vintage guitars. And into them we're going to insert metal bands that will cover and almost look like sutures across the 2 cracks that you see. Treating the wood, we've gone for the natural look, something that's brought out all that beautiful wood grain. You can almost see how old the tree was just by counting all the lines. For a tabletop, there really isn't much better than a beautiful and lovely natural wood finish. Some modern touches, but a classic look. Our live edge tabletop is ready to go.